Hey guys, how you doing today? My name is Bill. I just want to give you a couple tips on how to plant new sod if you want to, like get rid of dead spots or dead grass or anything like that. Okay, so the first step would be the new sod comes in rolls, 18 inches by 24 inches long. What you want to do is try to cut out your dead spot or your dead grass, 18 by 24. Cut it with an old knife or something like that. You want to take out all the old rocks, all the old roots, any trees, any little branches or anything like that. If you leave it just the way it is, the new roots from the sod, they have nowhere to go. They have nowhere to grow. You have rocks and everything in the way, and the new sod will die. Okay, so step two would be you want to make sure that the soil that you're planting it on is nice and aerated, nice and loose and fluffy, because if you don't, the roots from the new sod that you're planting will have nowhere to go. They'll just be dormant where they are, and you'll have a piece of dead grass. You start all over again. Okay, so step three would be, it's always a good idea to, if you have it, to put down some new topsoil with some nutrients in it. This helps the new grass starting out catch better and grow better. But if you don't, that's okay too. You just want to make sure, like I said before, that you have that soil, the existing soil there, nice and loose, aerated, and clean and free of debris.
And what brand of soil do you recommend?
Oh, don't anything that's in, I don't know, Miracle Grow topsoil. I'm not promoting anything from Miracle Grow. I'm getting no money from them.
They should.
So step four would be, when you get your new piece of sod, it usually comes in, like I said, 18 inches by 24 inches, and it comes in rolled. What you want to do is unroll it and then flip it over so that the dirt side is up. And what you want to do is actually pretty much tickle that dirt a little bit so the roots of the new grass, the new sod that you'll be planting, is loose and they're free a little bit so they can start sprouting out as soon as possible. Because you don't want it all packed down like that, because otherwise the roots will take a lot longer for that new sod to catch. Okay, so step five would be when you put in the new soil, a new piece of sod, excuse me, you put in a new piece of sod, you want to make sure that it's close, nice and tight to the existing sod, that existing grass that's there, so that the blades can grow together and as one. Because if you do just put it in loosely together like that, you'll be able to see the lines where the new grass is and the old one existing. It'll take a long time for them to actually come together. So you want to definitely make sure that it's nice and tight on all four sides.
Maybe overlapping, or just make sure it's as compact?
No, you don't want to overlap it. You just want to make sure that they're nice and close, so the grass becomes one as you catch it. You need to, and it's always a good idea that when you put down the new sod, you want to make it a little bit higher than the existing grass right now, whether you put it with new topsoil or get some dirt from another piece of your yard or something like that. Not too much higher, probably a half inch or inch, because over time that piece of sod will settle down a little bit because of the air, because you made the dirt aerated, where it's loose and has air between it. So you want to make it will settle down with the existing grass around it. So like I said, put it about half an inch above the existing grass there. Okay, and then the last step would be, once it's all planted and it's nicey nice, what you want to do is give it a good stiff drink, water only though. You want to give it a nice stiff drink, and then from there on in, you want to water it early in the morning and then later in the afternoon. About 4 minutes for each time. For about 2 weeks straight, you want to do that until the roots actually start catching and becoming with the existing grass around it. And then you can just water the lawn on a regular basis as you normally do. If you want more lawn care tips like this, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll be doing these probably once, twice a week. And if you have any comments, please leave them below. Thank you. Have a great day and good planting.